Hey Hans fan, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, the one and only, the numero uno. Yeah, today's recipe is fried rice recipe, a quick one for sure, as you can see on your channel. Let's get it started without wasting much time at all. So the first thing is to transfer my egg yolk into my cooked plain rice, as you can see, and mix it together. Mix it properly and put it aside. Guys, I will be using butter for this recipe, so I will be melting good amounts of butter or margarine in my fry pan. Fetch some of the melted margarine or butter and put it aside for the main recipe. After which I will be transferring good amount of chopped onions into my fry pan to allow it to sweat up for some few seconds or minutes. A minute or two will do. Then add the rest of the ingredients according to the time apportioned to each of them. After some minutes, there goes in my diced garlic and ginger. Give it a good stir for some few seconds or minutes. Then add my chicken spice of choice. Guys, I'm using chicken for this recipe. That is deboned chicken thigh, the hard one to be precise. It tastes very good, so try it out and you love it. After giving it a good stir for some few seconds or minutes, there goes in my red powdered pepper, and guys, finally my all natural spice blend recipe. This is a game changer. It tastes so nice. Recipe for this spice blend is on my channel at Hans Kitchen. So guys, pass by, try it out for yourself and you would love it. My salt goes in, give it a good stir. After which I will be doing some tasting. Guys, you know it's needed. Cover it and allow it to cook or simmer for some few minutes. So guys, after some few minutes, my chicken is ready. So on the fire is my saucepan or fry pan. Added my melted butter. Since it's not enough, I added a little more. You know, I'm just doing my kitchen skills challenge. I know you can relate. Yeah. So my chopped onions goes in. Allow it to sweat up for some time on a low heat or medium heat to be precise. After some few seconds of sauteing my onions, there goes in my spring onions, chopped spring onions. Saute it for some few seconds as well. Add my carrots, and guys, also saute for some few seconds. After some few seconds, push my sauteed veggies aside and pour in my egg whites. Fry so it's fluffy for some time. And guys, use your ladle, as they say, ladle or ladle, to scramble your egg whites. After adding my cabbage, with the help of my ladle, I will stir fry for some few seconds, add some good amount of my all natural spice and my salt to taste, saute for some few more seconds, then add my cooked or steamed chicken, that's my deboned chicken thigh, add to my recipe, saute for some few seconds as well, and the rest of the ingredients goes in. So it's time to add my dark soy sauce, good amounts of it. Do not add too much of it, just good amounts. Stir fry or saute for some few minutes as well. Then guys, voila, my egg fried rice will be ready. Guys, will be ready. All you need to do is just to stir fry, saute it for some few minutes on low heat to prevent it from burning. So my amazing Hans Kitchen fan, thank you so much for watching this amazing video from the beginning to the end. The patience is everything to me, guys. I love you all. Please, at this point in time, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, click on the share button to share to your amazing friends out there to also try out this amazing recipe. And guys, they will love you more. Hans Kitchen, your diet, my headache. Ejiane pa day. Charlie, see you with another video. Bye guys.